In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to estimate a regression in Excel where distance is the variable we are predicting, or dependent variable, and male and experience are explanatory variables, the variables we are using to predict distance. We want to go up to Data and then go to the right to Data Analysis. Then we're going to choose Regression and hit OK. First, it's going to ask us for our Y range. This is our dependent variable, left-hand side variable. And notice I'm going to first select the variable label, and then I'm going to begin selecting all the data underneath it. But I'm not selecting the text above it. The reason is that in Excel you can select the variable label and the data underneath it, but you can only have one label. You can't select two cells of text and then go to the data. So go to our one row of text with our variable name, and we select all the data underneath it. That is our Y variable. Then our X variable constitutes our two explanatory variables. And again, we're going to first select the variable label, and notice that no matter how many explanatory variables you have, they have to be adjacent to one another in Excel because you have to select them all with just one selection. So I'm selecting all of those data. Because I selected variable labels, I'm going to check labels, and then I'm going to hit OK. And that gives us our regression output. Because all of the p-values are less than 0.05, that means we can take all of our coefficients seriously. And what this means is that to predict hitting distance, we would do this equation. We would go predicted distance equals our intercept of 75.31. I'm just going to round to 2 decimal places here, plus the coefficient for male, 67.71. times male plus 3.45 times experience. Then all we would have to do is plug in whether male is 1 or 0, plug in the number of years experience, and it will spit out a prediction, and that is the predicted hitting distance for the person.